What's up, everyone? Welcome back. We're gonna head to the next planet here, so just gonna go ahead and load up my game. And again, we're going on Exterminator difficulty, so haven't wussed out yet. That's good.
I attack you with a spider tank, power level 5. I defend with level 6 lawn ninjas. Sucker, you fell right into my trap. You're exterminated.
I played a lot of Magic the Gathering when I was their age. This never happened. Sometimes I wish it had, though.
That's right, kids. Exterminator trading cards are here. There's Reactor, Shell Shock, the Eviscerator, and your favorite exterminator, Ace Hardlight. Collect them all and exterminate your friends today.
Exterminate your friends. I'm still not sure if that's a loading screen or not. I can't tell if it's hiding the loading screen on that. Okay, so we've done all these. So we're gonna go to Sarathos. Whatever, we're going here. This is where we're going. And now, oh, we gotta travel all the way back. Okay, so we spent all that time traveling to one of the planets, and now we're just traveling back. Yay. Yay, efficiency. Right planet this time. Here we go.
Welcome back, Dread Zone fans. Have we got a show for you? On today's episode, Team Darkstar has been dropped onto the hellish alien world of Sarathos. Their ultimate goal, destroy a monstrous alien
Sarathos.
creature known
Okay,
as
that's
the
how it's
King
pronounced.
Leviathan. And take it from me, people, monstrous is putting it nicely.
Ratchet, there.
So now we've got the Hunter Mine Launcher, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Napalm mod with that one. Oh, can I buy? Yeah, I can buy that. Why not? Buy the Shock mod as well. So this thing, I'm gonna put on the Napalm mod, and so normally what this does is you shoot a mine, it'll sit there, and then when something comes nearby it, it'll scoot over to it and blow up. But I'm gonna put on the Napalm mod, and what that does is it makes little globs of hot lava explode on them. Also, why is my... I'm also going to change up this one to be the Shock mod. That'll shoot electricity, and it'll damage more than one unit. And so I'll show you... Nope, that's not what I want to do. So watch, when I shoot these little guys, you see how it shoots like a whole bunch of them, and it kills them all? So, see how I'm just like launching them, and then they activate and go after the guys? So that lava is not normally part of it, but that's the mod. You see, it just does damage over time. But that guy, oh look, it's actually stuck to his tail, so he's taking a lot of extra damage. Okay, I was kind of expecting him to be dead by now. Okay, so now they're dead. But yeah, see, they just kind of sit here and they wait, and if something comes by, it'll blow it up. Oh, those take a lot of hits.
Order a bot to hack into one of those orb locks.
Okay. Back here, remember there being some life and ammo.
What is this sneaky Lombax doing behind the arena? This could be nothing. It's nothing. He's getting ammo.
Why are you shooting? Oh, stuff. Alright, so we're gonna have these guys hack for us. Oh, oh, wow. 2 shots dead. Okay. Ugh. Hopefully, yeah.
My trigger finger's getting itchy.
Oops. Hopefully these explosion type things hitting all of them. Doesn't appear to be the case. Wow, I got hit a lot there. 4 life. These do no damage. Oh, okay. Yeah, just put like over 100 shots into those guys. Kills these guys pretty well though. That's nice. Yeah, see, they all died pretty quickly. We're so close to getting a level. If you look in the upper left there, there's like that little red bar underneath them. You see like there, it's all different depending on the gun. So what I'm gonna do, since this guy popped out last time. Oh, he popped out right now. I thought he was triggered by them hacking. Guess that wasn't the case.
You don't sell the steak, folks, you sell the sizzle, and Ratchet is hot. Well, they got the door open. Now, let's find out what's waiting for them on the other side.
Oh, ship.
Ooh,
All right.
goody, the swamp is up next. Oh, I love this part.
Decently smooth that run, I guess.
Ooh, just look at that putrid, festering slime hole. Oh, wow, I can smell it from up here. Yee, yee. Ratchet's not gonna make it out of here on foot. He'll have to commandeer the puma on the far side of the swamp.
Puma's also really twitchy as far as like driving it and shooting and stuff goes. It's weird. I'm gonna say that about like every vehicle in this whole game. Because they all are, like, just the vehicle, yeah, it's just bad.
Wow, that was a close one. One false move and those alien suckers will be eating your head for lunch.
My mother used to serve Lomax brains for breakfast with eggs and salsa. Muy bueno.
Eggs and salsa.
Yikes. Remind me never to eat at your house.
Yeah, it took about 100 shots to... Oh, finally! Yes! Speed mods, they're firing faster now. Which, is that good or bad, or... These little guys, single shot and they all die. That's why I love the shock mod, it's so nice. So one shot, boom, all dead. Saves me a ton of ammo. Oh, geez. There are a lot more than these than I remember there being. I'm impressed by their leaping ability.
This guy is gonna sell a lot of commercial time, Juanita. Let's just pray we don't have any more wardrobe malfunctions.
See, that really dates the game, I think. Wardrobe malfunctions. God, that was a super long time ago.
I cannot bear to look.
Oh, man, okay. 4 life. Turret. Don't kill me. So I've got poison and fire on that, so he's doing double damage over time. Impact mod, that knocks him back further. That also got, I don't know if you saw, that was 40 extra damage instead of 20 like everything else has been getting. So that scales pretty well, which is nice. Are you guys gonna hack this, or? Okay, now we can hack it. Where's my other bot? Why is he down there? Why isn't it letting me? Okay, now you're. That. Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Damn it! Oh! Ah! How dare you sneak up on a guy like that? Oh my god! I cannot believe I just did that.
This is all over.
That did. Oh my god! That did so much life, so much damage. Jesus. Oh. It's just covered in magma. Oh, what did we get? Speed mod. 120. Didn't this thing start at 40, so it's doing like triple damage? Doesn't that thing do 11 damage to me? Christ. As long as there are no big guys, I think I'll be okay. Do I get another jackpot crate? No.
Team Darkstar is unstoppable.
Alright, here we go. What's the... I don't know how far this thing shoots. I don't think it's as far as the Raptors, though.
A double swing shot. I cannot bear to look.
Okay. So 1, 2. Take out the guy first. Okay. 3 life. Okay. 1 you hack. Wow, long range on that. Pretty sure I just need to get to the Puma once this thing's down.
Let's get out of this swamp before I start rusting up.
Ah, perfect. Okay. The little guys didn't ambush me this time. Okay. 2,000 bolts. No dread points, though. Or maybe those are just, like, added normally? I don't know.
In order to advance to the Leviathan lair, Team Darkstar must
Where the
capture
Leviathans
3
roam.
control
Nice.
nodes.
Yeah, so this is, again, it's really weird as far as... Like, you notice how I'm shooting, like, up with the turret thing? It looks like the same thing that the Landstalker has as far as the auto shot. Fuck you, camera. Fuck you, camera. Oh, there's another one over here. How am I gonna get this one? Oh, got it. Didn't even have to worry about that for very long. Fuck you, camera. Oh, wait. I'll do the Leviathan first. Wait your damn turn. Okay.
Don't scratch the paint on that Puma. We're giving it away at bingo night.
game is funny. I like it. I need this camera. Yes. Okay. Oh, that's a Landstalker. Whoa. Oh wait, I'm in a Puma. And apparently we can do that. This is cool. I'm just gonna fire at this thing. Yeah! Bots are handy. When you do this on multiplayer, it's actually quite a... Oh man. Yes, I did. Yeah, those guys are significantly easier in the Puma. Cue camera. Shoot the ceiling there. I wonder if I get credit for all of the, like when I kill the thing before it drops off the guys, do I get the credit for the guys in it, or do I just get credit for killing the thing? I don't know, apparently I can't run into guys. Wait, something's in there.
Oh, this guy should have his own fitness machine, his own shoes, his own fat-burning barbecue.
A lot of cameras.
I've seen some ugly places,
Oh.
this one takes the cake.
What's up? How am I gonna kill this camera? Okay, well I'm gonna kill myself as I'm gonna kill this camera. He's like, get us out of here as I'm sinking into the thing. I'm pretty sure I don't have to do all of those over again. I just have to do the last one that I didn't get to. Oh, are all the cameras back up? Murder all the cameras again. Yeah, that was fun. So the reason I say that the controls in this are really twitchy in that it's not like a it's like a first-person shooter how you control it. You actually have to hit forward to do forward. It's not like a racing game where you hold down X and then you just do left and right. But this is actually like you got to do forward. So sometimes to turn you have to hit forward and then sideways in order to turn. You can't just like turn in place. So it's like I don't know. It's hard. It's weird.
He's completed the third stage. Tell him what he's won, Juanita.
He's won an all-expense-paid trip to the Leviathan's lair, where he will enjoy golf, tennis, fine dining, and an agonizing death as he is slowly dissolved by stomach acids in the Leviathan's colon.
Stomach acids in his colon. Did you hear that? I'll be dissolved by stomach acids in his colon. Those are not the same. Alright. Fuck all y'all, I'm just going over here. Oh, nope, I can't. Turns out I can't actually just kill that guy by running into him. I'm glad it doesn't do any damage to me, though. Alright, there's the entrance. Exit. There's where I'm done. Bam. Alright.
We are now in the final
Ton of
moments before
ammo.
the epic showdown with the King Leviathan. Team Darkstar must hack all the orbs to wake up that big fella. Happy
Let them
hunting.
hop over there. Why are they hopping?
I am breathless with anticipation.
Sure
All
you're
right,
not just
start.
breathless because you get to sit up here next to me?
No, but that does explain why I'm feeling nauseous.
I like just kind of setting these around. Something comes up, it's just like, yep, we got it. Got everything under control.
Run, Ratchet, run!
I like this guy just continues to go. I don't have to like tell him to go each time. He's just like, no, 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 I got it. I got it. He knows what's going on. Whoa. Little worried my computer just went into sleep mode, so I might have a little bit of lag there in the video. Oh, wait, someone died. If I do, that's why. I hope that's not the case. We'll find. Well, I'll figure that out later. So is that it right there? It just looks like a big version of the normal ones. I guess that makes sense. What's that charging noise? Oh yeah, okay, now he's out. Whoa. Oh shit, wow, that was a hefty kill. I don't have too much life, but still.
Hey, boss. Do you read Joshua?
I've seen people just like fly onto screen like, what killed him? I don't know. I don't care. It's just bitches are dying. That's all I care about. Ammo mod. 200 damage now. That's pretty sweet.
Ratchet's got this match on ice, ladies and gentlemen. The juice is cold, and the generic brand X gelatin is definitely jiggling.
I'm impressed by the number of guys that are in this seemingly tiny hole. Do we not? Oh, okay, no, you're doing it. You got it under control. Okay, there's the big guy. Oh! Oh, man. Shot me twice, right? Like, just like boom, boom. I do like the lighting mod, how if you're killing a big guy, it automatically changes to all the little guys that are around. So that I don't have to worry about killing those guys too. Or just to another big guy who's nearby.
And that Lombax is terminating with extreme prejudice. It's a good thing we're out of range, Juanita. We are out of range, aren't we?
Oh my gosh. Ugh. I think doing the Hunter Mine launcher was probably a better bet.
Let me at him. Let me at him. I'll tear him apart.
If I had Frost mod, this would be a lot easier. Frost mod's cool, like you shoot them once and they kind of slow down a little bit, but if you continue to shoot them, they freeze completely. Which is really, really handy, especially on big guys. Takes longer to freeze them, but then they're totally frozen. No, I don't want to use the Raptors. Just strafe around you. Go for my bots! Go for my bots! Oh, jukes. Oh, jukes. I'm gonna run out of shots. I'm gonna run out of shots. Ah. Whoa. Whoa. Ah. 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 Oh man, running out of ammo. That's not good.
Hey, boss. Can you reach us?
Okay. So try both with the hacker ray. It's a little riskier. A little riskier, but it ends a little quicker. I think that's good.
Oh, I could feel that one from in here.
Oh man, even they kill me with 2 hits. Man, that. Oh, this is just nuts. This is just mayhem. Oh, I'm gonna jump into that one. They might be spawning too fast now.
These guys are hot. Did you feel that, Juanita?
Fuck, is he already up? Oh. Looks like I can just strafe back and forth and avoid that. Now I'm totally out of ah! Ah, man, I was like... Yes, go after my bots. What was that bullshit? Other than bullshit, what was that? Need to get some... Ah! Oh my god. Jesus. This went too long. Okay. I gotta stop this right here. We'll come back. Hopefully we'll be able to get him the second time. See you then.